This is Glenn Rice with Clearview Sewer Cams. We're located at 4292 Palomino Circle, Westlake Village, California, 91362. Today is April 5th, 2022. We're performing a video waste and sewer line inspection through a 3-inch ABS waste line cleanout located just to the left of the driveway next to the hose bib. This goes out towards our driveway. This goes out towards the front of our property. This goes towards the front door. There. And this is our 3-inch ABS waste line. And again, we're just going to go ahead and zero out our camera monitor here.
Okay, I got the shower running downstairs.
And we're going to drop down and begin our video waste and sewer line inspection. So again, we're going to go ahead and continue to push out. It does appear to be black ABS waste line. So again, we're just going to go ahead and continue to push out. What we'll do is we'll push out to approximately 60 feet on our camera monitor, and then from there we'll pause for a moment and locate that area, see which direction we're actually exiting and coming out at the front of the property. So again, we're just going to continue to push out. Does appear to be long lengths of black ABS waste line. There's approximately 20 feet between the joints. And we're dropping down. We'll make another turn. Now we're dropping down into our what appears to be 4-inch black ABS. So again, we're just going to continue to push out. Got to get a little more water running. Again, we're just going to continue to push out. We did turn on the water hose. Got our water hose in there just to help us get a little more water, a little more volume to help us push out. We're going to push out slowly, and so we can take a look at the top of our joints and see if we can locate possibly a mainline sewer clean out at the front of the property. And as we pull back, we can take a really good look at our joints. So again, we're just going to continue to push out. Push out. Again, I got another joint there. So again, we're just going to continue to push out. What we'll do is we'll push out approximately, we'll pause here for a moment. We're going to locate this area, so we're going to pause here for a moment. We're just going to locate to see which direction we're heading in. So we're going to pause here. Okay, we went ahead and located this area, and we are in the driveway as you approach the garage. So again, we're just going to go ahead and continue to push out. What we'll do is we'll attempt to push all the way out into our city sewer tie-in. We'll pause, we'll pull back just a little bit. It does appear that we do have an opening there right around the 12 o'clock area at 86 feet. We'll catch that on the way back. So again, we're just going to go ahead and continue to push out. And again, we'll just attempt to push all the way out into our city sewer tie-in, and then from there we can shut all the water down and pull back. So again, we're going to pause our mic here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pause here for a moment. We're going to locate this area. So we did shut the water down. What we're going to do is we're going to locate and mark this area. It does appear that we do have a fairly large offset in this area, and we are out about approximately 124 feet 11 inches on the camera monitor. So unfortunately, from this point here, from pushing out through a 3-inch waistline at the top of basically just to the left of the front door, it's just a little difficult to push out from here and get up and over this offset. So again, we're just gonna pause here for a moment. We're gonna locate this area. Okay, we went ahead and located this area, and we did place an orange flag to identify it. We did mark it at 12 feet 0 inches deep, and this is just to the left of the driveway, next to the mailbox. Again, we're gonna pull back just a little bit. And again, we're unable to get past this point. There is an offset there, as you can see, and we make a transition. That is our transition to vitreous clay. So we're going to push into a little bit more. Okay, again, as I mentioned, we pushed all the way out to approximately 124 feet 6 inches on the camera monitor, and we did mark this area with an orange flag just behind the mailbox at approximately 12 feet deep. And unfortunately, we're unable to get past this point just due to the overall length and the amount of turns that we had. We did have an offset in the transition from black ABS sewer pipe to vitreous clay. I'm going to push back in just a little bit. Okay, again, we're going to go ahead and continue to pull back. Again, we're coming up a little chimney there. We're going to continue to pull back. And all the black ABS sewer pipe all appear to be in fair condition. What we're going to do is we're going to pull back and possibly locate a mainline sewer cleanout in the black ABS sewer pipe as we pull back. So we did locate an area at approximately 85 feet on our camera monitor, and that was just in the middle of the driveway. But again, we're just going to continue to pull back. I'll make a little bit of a turn. Again, those joints all appear to be in fair condition. And continue to pull back. And I'm going to pause there for a moment. It does appear that we do have an opening there right around the 87-foot mark there, as you can see, right around the 1 o'clock area. And what we're going to do is we're going to pause here for a moment. I'm going to run a little bit of water from our ADU unit, possibly just flush the toilet to see if we have any water coming through that. So we're going to pause here for a moment. Okay, we went ahead and located this area, and it is our tie-in for our ADU unit. We did flush the toilet, and water did come out in that area. We marked it in the driveway with the red crayon at 4 foot 2 inches deep. So again, we're just going to go ahead and continue to pull back. We're going to pull back slowly. And again, all the black ABS sewer pipe all appear to be in fair condition. We're just going to pull back slowly, possibly locate another area more towards the front of the house for possibly a mainline sewer cleanout, or possibly locate a mainline sewer cleanout. So again, we're just going to continue to pull back. What we'll do is we'll pull back to maybe approximately 40 feet on our camera monitor. What we'll do is we'll pause there for a moment and locate that area. So again, we'll just continue to pull back. Again, that joint appeared to be in fair condition. And we'll pull back just to our next joint, and then from there we'll pause for a moment and locate it. We're at about 35 feet. We're making a little bit of a turn. We're going to pause here for a moment and locate this area. So we'll pause here. Okay, we went ahead and marked this area at 1 foot 11 inches deep, and this is just on the brick pavers, just at the beginning of the steps as you approach the front door. So again, we're going to continue to pull back. And joint appeared to be in fair condition. And we're gonna push back out a little bit. Push out a little bit more. Right about there. Stop there. We're gonna pause here for a moment and locate this area. Okay, we went ahead and located this area, and it is just to the left of the walkway in the planter area, and we did mark it with an orange flag at 1 foot 8 inches deep, and there does appear to be possibly a 3-inch mainline sewer cleanout in that area. So again, we're just going to go ahead and continue to pull back, and we're making a little bit of a turn. And again, we continue to pull back, make another turn. And again, we did transition back into our black ABS waistline. So again, we're going to continue to pull back, and we're going to pull up and out of our cleanout, and that will conclude our video waste and sewer line inspection.